are you and what do you do?
So I'm Brian Cram with Sherco Motorcycles. I head up the marketing efforts for Sherco in the United States from the OEM side, but also from Factory One Racing. We're going to launch a factory enduro team and factory trials team, which has already been in place. But in 2020, the new addition is the enduro team. So responsible for the marketing and sponsorships, marketing for Sherco, sponsorships and marketing.
And Sherco's the OEM level motorcycle, but you're also affiliated with Ryan Young Products.
That's correct. Yep. Ryan had been the trials only importer of Sherco motorcycles since 1999. The first year that they built a Sherco motorcycle when it still had the Bultaco thumb on it.
Yeah.
And fast forward, he's as of June has become the enduro importer as well, and of course with Ryan Young Products on the aftermarket part side of things, mostly for the trial side, but also stocking now all the OEM parts for Sherco. Yeah, Ryan brings that wealth of knowledge and the dealer base and others, so we have a good foothold to start with, but long way to go and grow.
And this is your first AIM Expo.
It is. We're excited to be here. As we mentioned off camera, there was some conversations where people are still getting used to the Sherco name, or others, I've heard of it, now I get to see one finally and touch it and feel it. So even though we're only a few hours into the show, it's been very successful for us, well worth it to be here. So we're really excited to be here.
Awesome. And the product range for 2020, what do you guys got in the booth?
Yeah, so with us here we have our cross-country model in a 125 two-stroke. We've got 300 two-stroke factory edition, a 300 four-stroke, a 450 in our racing line. We've got some trials bikes. We got Pat Smodgy's 11-time USA Trials champion, record-breaking bike, the actual bike that he broke the record with, from Jeff Aaron, former, well, he still competes in trials sometimes, but former 10-time champ. So, but we have a lineup of displacements from 125 to 300 on the two-stroke side, and on the four-stroke side, it's 250 to 500. So with a 300 in between them. So quite a model range that we have from racing line and factory line. Even though the name is racing, it's actually our entry level. WP Explorer forks and a lot of OEM parts from there. When you go to the factory line, you upgrade to KYB suspension. You have full Akrapovic exhaust on the four strokes, and two strokes have FMF on the front. So some really cool upgrades, and the bikes are just incredible out of the box. Mario Roman came in second place at TKO on a bone stock bike this year. So we uncrated it on a Wednesday, I want to say it was. He raced that weekend and came in second place on a bone stock bike. Yeah.